Okay, a couple of people had trouble with questions like this one, x squared minus 9 equals 0. There are two ways of doing this, the long way and the short way. I'm going to talk you through the long way and then I'll show you the short way. First up, this is a pattern known as the difference of two squares. It's called that because if you look, we can see we've got a square number here, x squared, obviously a square number, and we've got 9, which is a square number. And they're separated by a minus sign, a difference, so it's the difference of two squares. In order to solve these using the traditional method that I've been talking to you about, we need to set this up so that we can find something that times is together to make minus 9, but adds together to make 0, so that there are 0 x squareds in the middle. So if we think about that, 9 is 1 times 9, minus 1 times 9, doesn't come anywhere near 0 if we add them, or potentially minus 3 times 3. If you look, that adds together to give us 0 when we add, so that would be the one to choose. So we can write this as x minus 3, x plus 3 equals 0, so x equals 3 and x equals minus 3. Okay, looks straightforward. Try another. Here's x squared minus 64 equals 0. We need to make minus 64 by timesing. Okay, 64 is a square number, so why don't we think about minus 8 and plus 8. Okay, that works, and they add together to make 0, which is what we want because we want no x's in the middle. Okay, can you see what I'm talking about? If this isn't clear, you need to email me. So we get x minus 8, x plus 8 equals 0, and so x would equal 8, or x would equal minus 8. Okay, straightforward, long method, not a problem. Okay, so the short method for this, when you see one of these questions, is to recognize straight away that it's a difference of two squares. And because it's a difference of two squares, you know that we can just go x minus 5, x plus 5 equals 0, and so x equals 5, or x equals minus 5. The short method is just to recognize the pattern and use what you know.